Hello friends, today I will share with you how to make better milk bread at home than in the store. Once you make it at home, you won't want to buy it from the store again. So to make this milk bread, you need to mix flour, salt, yeast, sugar, powder milk, 1 egg and lukewarm milk all together in a hand mixture and make a dough. And then add the unsalted butter and run the hand mixture at medium speed for 10 to 15 minutes and make a smooth dough. Divide into 16 pieces of 50 gram each dough. Round the dough to smooth the surface. Grease the pan with a little oil and lay out the paper foil. Form the dough into balls and put them in a pan. In another bowl, mix together the butter and powdered sugar. Stir until smooth without any lumps. Then add flour and milk. Now make a smooth paste just like this, and if the paste seems like a thick, then add a little milk and make it a little thin. Then the entire paste should be stuffed into a piping bag and lined with a piping bag over the dough. This way all the dough should be lined up so that it looks beautiful. And then bake in preheated oven for 17 to 20 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Just look at how beautiful the bread are blooming. Enjoy, darling. I hope you will give this easy recipe a try. And if you like my recipe, please like and subscribe to my channel.